eclectic. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's quick tip is about one of our most beloved, or my most beloved items in my craft room, which is my snail adhesive. You can see here that I have run out of adhesive. I used it so much that I'm trying to get every last little skerrick of adhesive off that I've actually broken it, which is fine because we're right near the end of the roll. So I thought I'd show you how to put a refill in, because I know some people have never done it before, so you don't know how to do it unless you're shown. So first of all, I'm just gonna, you'll see on your adhesive you've got a little arrow on the top and the bottom. You've also got your little marks on the top where you put your finger for your pressure, and you're just going to squeeze those two little arrows in on the top and the bottom and pull off your adhesive. Now this clear bit, it just goes in the bin. Alright, you'll see that my adhesive is a bit gunky, so I just pull off the really big bits. Now I also get one of these little remove adhesive wipes. I just get them from the pharmacy or the chemist, and I just use that. Some people use alcohol wipes, but they're not designed just for getting adhesive off. I buy these by the bucket load. Well, no, I buy them in bulk because I use them all the time. And I just wipe over my snail. And the reason I'm wiping it over, I don't want any excess adhesive to mess up my snail. And so I think I've got most of it off. And you don't want to have adhesive sticking everywhere because it affects how well, I haven't done this one for a while, but it affects how well your snail will work. Because sometimes when you use your snail it might get caught up on itself, and that's because you've got gunky stuff, that's a technical term, everywhere. Let's clean that bit off. And like any tool, you're only going to get the best out of it if you take care of it. So we've got all the gunk off. Use your fingernail. You can use, if you don't have fingernails, use your, take your pick tool, that'll scrape any excess off. Okay, we've got it all off. It's particularly dirty. I mustn't have cleaned it for a very, very long time. Okay. Now you don't have to clean it every time, but just make sure that every so often you give it a good clean and get rid of any excess adhesive that might be in there. So it's nice and clean. Clean the outside too. And then you can just pop that little wipe in the bin. So we've got our snail adhesive. Here's one I opened earlier. Now you'll see that it has a little piece of cardboard in it. You just pull that out. You hold your bottom adhesive like that. You'll see that it can only go in one way. And it just clicks together like that. And so now you're ready to use your snail adhesive. Pretty easy, hey? So my top tips, make sure that you get, to get the best out of your snail, you clean it occasionally and use one of the alcohol remover wipes. They do the best job. I've tried other things like tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil and the wipes that you get with your KFC. Not that I eat KFC, never. But this seems to do the best job. And yeah, so remember, every time you get close to finishing a roll of snail, order 2 refills. And the reason I say order 2, they're only cheap at $6, but you don't want to run out in the middle of the night. And I craft a lot in the middle of the night, so always have a spare. And when you go to class, always take a spare with you. Okay, so that's it for me. My quick tips on how to change your snail refill and get the most out of it. Until next time, happy stamping!